Good morning. It's another misty morning here in Edenbridge, as you can see. Sun's trying to break through though, so it should be a nice sunny day hopefully. Yeah, I'm live with young Bobbin, as you can see he's there, and there's little Ruby just down there. I don't know if she'll take a mealworm from me, nope, I don't think so. No, she did the other day, but still nervous. You hear a lot of the paired up robins. You can hear like high pitched squeaks every now and then. Now that's the female asking for food from the male. If you ever hear that, it's like a little high pitched pip kind of sound. I heard it when I was having a coffee in my van earlier. There's loads of robins. There's robins everywhere. Loads of them. I see a couple when I park my van. These two don't come down to the van. It's too far away. I know Bob used to, but it's a bit different. Obviously, I do have the hounds with me. There's Sark, and there's Pup over there, wandering off. Sark, come here. You do, good boy. Very good, very good. Got lots to do today. I'm going to try and sort the garden out a bit more. Never-ending job. Obviously, as you all know, I don't work here. This is actually my job, working here. Not with the animals, but doing the garden, looking after the garden. Or 2 days a week I work here, and I pop in different times to come and see the birds. Yeah, it's giving you a little song as well. Well, don't really know what else to say. I'm going to go and do some work. Ruby down there. She's very nervous this morning. Well, I hope you all have a good day. I'm going to get on. Oh. 1 minute, Bobbin. 1 minute. Try to keep that on the hole. It's chucking on the floor. Right, see you soon.